How to find your code. For microcontrollers like Arduino ESP, Raspberry Pi etc. we are going to see best 4 methods to find your code. Open Arduino IDE. Open File Examples. And find your sketch. Install the required library for more examples. You can also find your code in official page. Link for the page is given below in description. Choose board. Choose program. Choose authorization code if use IoT project. You can find all common codes in YouTube. In Google search also you can find code. Though code is available in many sources, you need some basic knowledge to alter them to your needs. Link for popular examples given in description. Subscribe if useful. Plant trees, save water, save earth.